して得意なこと、そして自分の好きなデザインをまずは個人で書いてください。ステップ2として、ステップ1から共通した項目をまとめてもらいます。で、最後に、共通した項目からキーワードを抽出してグループの名前を決めてください。これで20分間行って、最後の10分間でグループで発表してもらうので、発表者も1人ワーク内で決めてください。これからはミロ全体の今メインルームに入っていると思うんですけど、グループに移動して作業をお願いします。では、各グループのミロに移動して作業をお願いします。
那就请大家就是移动到各自的 Webex 然后那个小组讨论。
Nowadays, the society, people in today's society is very nervous in their life. So I don't know whether we can describe it in Japanese, but under my background, my mother tongue background. And translate to English, we would call people have high pressure in society. After we organize our ideas, so let me speak more and to be more specific. With the event of the information era and the well-developed healthcare system, we are confronted with teenagers addicted to social media and the health, the aging population problems. Nowadays, we should recover by ourselves or heal by ourselves quickly because the time nowadays is consumed very fast. And we believe technology should help people network with each other, not to separate the relationship or make it more fragile. You mean because I think the anxiety is the most important thing, and it shows nowadays the societies, people in today's society is very nervous in their life. So I think I don't know whether we can describe it in Japanese, but under my background, my mother tongue background in Chinese, and translate to English, we would call people have high pressure in society, and people's relationship is very people relationships pressure is very high, and like maybe you think your mother or grandparents are easily be angry at something, and you are easily argue with your brother, sister, your family, so the relationship is very weak and fragile. Means it's really a break. It's really a break.
most of the groups have came back to the main meetings and like to start our short presentation for today. And first of all, I would like to share the screen here. Let's see. I have posted some information for the short presentation on the Slack channel for the general order. The order of the presentation will be from group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the order of the presentation, and you have 2 or 3 minutes for your time, for the presentation time. And in the beginning, I have told you that I want you to decide who is speaking and who is showing the presentation, and so on and so forth. So if I call your group number, please come up. If the presenter of your group is CIT student, please come up front. I want you to talk, and someone else, please share your screen on the WebEx for a description. And if the presenter is from Taiwan, then please put your camera on and speak out. And someone else, please share your screen. Miro is okay, so please share the Miro screen and for presentation.
I appreciate to be the first presenter.
Okay.
Okay. And maybe we have a member to help me to share screen. First group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after we organize our ideas, we end the project on resilient relationships. So that is speaking and to be more specific. With the event of the information era and the web system, we are investigators predicting the social media and the health of the aging population. To be more specific, for example, nowadays, elders today, how they can take care by themselves, and that's our we really want to know whether they will be using their life. So we are really want to hear of sure whether they want to make the relationship become critical. Therefore, we probably trying to use the web to help people decrease their emotions and enforce people's resilience on a daily basis. Very important. Let me explain the resilience. Resilience is like people who have some active emotions in their daily basis. Nowadays, we should recover ourselves or heal ourselves quickly because the time nowadays is
much great presentation. I think I have one question. Can you tell me which node is most significant in your community or your network to find out in the process of discussing on this topic?
No problem. As shown on the screen, the anxiety is older, is the key to connecting with every part. so I don't have the license, but it is welfare and lifestyle daily basis. Lifestyle uses and marginalized people addicted to social media. So overall, the piece we talk about before is anxiety.
Okay, thank you very much. Are there any feedbacks or comments from this meeting? It's a short presentation, and I think there's a lot of information to understand. So.
I can share another information, which is more discussed in part 2. We at that time we say whether we choose a person or a personal task to do this, and why we use relationship. Because in this project we are going to build a program with Web3 technology, and in this new technology era, people are not just bots, people are going to connect with each other. So the relationship in this ecosystem is very important, and fortunately we find the core in this system.
Okay, great. I think you have done a great job for organizing these networks. And I think for tomorrow we are doing some prototyping how to support those networks or this kind of networks by using some kind of technology that is there right now. So I think you got a very good start on the discussion. Thank you very much.
We name our country as an educational technology. In this work, we found that both Taiwan and Japan has pharmaceutical. Many Taiwan and Japan students to it's called learning app regarding Japan. Maybe online study maybe activities like biology, business next to the core and space. But the environment of online study is not just